And going back to poll-bound Haryana now, well, some rumblings within the BJP. This is two key BJP leaders have now joined the Congress party right ahead of the polls. This is the internal revolt and the rebellion within the BJP continues. Now, two key leaders who have, of course, also extremely critical to the BJP's caste arithmetic, Sukhvinder Mandi and Jaiprakash Gupta, they have now joined the Congress. This, of course, after the BJP has released all its lists for the poll-bound state. But some sort of a setback there for the BJP, given the fact that we've seen in the past 2 weeks there have been high-profile exits from the BJP after the party released its lists. The old guard, so to speak, continues to say that the loyalists have been ignored and turncoats have been awarded by the BJP, which is why these rumblings. Also very interesting there, if you look at those visuals, you have former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Hooda, and Dipinder Hooda present there as these two leaders joined the Congress party. So extremely interesting, given the fact that the Hoodas have really been campaigning across Haryana. They have sort of taken it upon themselves to make sure that the Congress returns to power. This as the BJP is already battling a 10-year incumbency. Let me go across to my colleague Gurpreet joining us live. Gurpreet, so some sort of a setback there for the BJP. This as the internal revolt continues to brew after the party came out with all its lists.
Well, we have seen somewhere down the lane the BJP party, since they had declared some 67 candidates from the various constituencies. After that, we have seen a lot of rebels. They were speaking vocally against the BJP party. Today, another jolt to the BJP party. We have seen some of the leaders from the BJP and specifically that former MLA, they had joined the Congress party. At the same time, we have seen the Congress has been claiming a lot of BJP leaders. They are approaching the Congress to join immediately from BJP to Congress. So let's see how it will affect the BJP party and how it will be able to give benefit to the Congress party, because that is totally dependent on the voters also, whether these people who have left the party in resentment, they will be able to give any benefit to Congress or not. But as of now, it seems the Congress is claiming they are gaining day by day, and BJP rebels are trying to raise voice against the party, and it's a very, very crucial time. We have seen the state leadership is already trying to pacify all the leaders so that they remain united and they will be able to no party will be able to get any political mileage out of these rebels. So let's see. Today we have seen some of the leaders, they have already joined the Congress, and now let's see what type of impact they are going to leave for the Congress as well as for the BJP.